all of July, I am going to be filming for you a 10-part video series that will help you get started as an adult content creator. And of course, if you are already an adult content creator, don't worry. All of this information can still be very helpful for you to increase your sales, your revenue, organize your workflow, setting up a routine, improve your advertising, and improve your video quality. I will be covering various topics that will be highly informative and very helpful for you to be an adult content creator, whether you are just starting out or you have a little bit of experience already. This video series is going to be very similar to my How to Be a Cam Girl, but this series is going to be more specific for video creation and being a content creator versus exclusively camming. I also have a lot of videos that I've already filmed that are very informative and very helpful for adult content creators, and I do highly recommend that you go and check out those videos, and I will also be plugging some of them here and there because they're just so relevant to the topics that I will be covering and go more in depth than what I will be covering in some of these videos. With that being said, there are a few videos that I decided that I already want to add to my 10 video series to go more in depth on these topics. Basically, some of these topics I will be discussing on surface level, and then I will be creating videos in the future that will go more in depth so you can get a better understanding of how to do and utilize certain things and that kind of thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug the first video right now, and that is the video right here, because this video is going to really help you figure out if you actually want to be an adult content creator, if this is something that is right for you. You can weigh the pros, you can weigh the cons, and if this is something that you truly want to do, then you can stick around for the rest of this series coming every Monday and Friday at 12 p.m. PST, which are going to be my launch dates through the entire month of July. And these videos will take you all the way from starting your brand and so on. We're gonna be talking about how to build your brand and how to create your image and your identity, all of the platforms that you're going to want to sign up to, the ones that I recommend you sign up to, and then the other ones that you may sign up to if you like. We'll be talking about building a routine for success, growing your audience through social media, networking, advertising, communication with your customers and your fans, time-saving hacks, tips to boost sales, managing stress and anxiety, and also achieving your dreams and long-term planning. My very last video of this series is going to be a Q&A, and I am not going to be filming this video. So all of these videos, aside from my Q&A, are going to be pre-recorded, but my Q&A I am going to be filming later down the line, so closer to the end of July. So if you have any questions that you would like me to cover in any of these videos, please drop me a comment down below, and I'm going to go through all of these comments. I do have some questions from previous videos that I've been neglecting to get to a Q&A about, but I will be answering some questions that are a little bit older that I already have, and I will also be taking any questions that you have as well. So definitely let me know every question that is burning in your brain that you want me to give you an answer to. It could be an opinion-based thing or a direct question, whatever, what have you. Of course, be mindful that this is YouTube, so depending on your question, I may not be able to answer it, or I will be speaking on it in very G-rated terms. Also, while we're at it, I want to give everyone a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for 5K subscribers. I know that it's kind of like a smaller number, but it means so much to me that 5,000 of you are interested in my content, are following me and enjoying my content and find it helpful and informative. I mean, I get comments from you guys all the time from email and Twitter and all that stuff that are thanking me and appreciative of the content that I create for adult content creators and all sorts of adult workers in general to help you be successful. I do have quite the passion for trying to be as helpful as I possibly can, and if that means that I have like 10 years or whatever of experience in this particular field, I want to utilize all of that experience and share it with those that can actually get use out of it. I would absolutely love to start some sort of like a masterclass or something in the near future, or maybe even start becoming like a life coach. I just think that these things are so interesting to me and are so important and vital too, because like I never had anyone holding my hand while I was building up my career. Everything I had to learn from scratch, and I really didn't get much support at all. I mean, the support that I got for like information, it was me looking online, and that sucks. And especially when it comes to adult content creators, like who's gonna be like, oh yeah, like you can just do this and this, that's like a friend or something that you know in real life. Like most people don't really do this kind of work, and especially like 10 years ago, this was so much more taboo. I think this kind of work really popularized when OnlyFans came about, and then everyone kind of started getting interested in creating content and jumping on OnlyFans and starting a platform and all that. It popularized it, and I kind of like that because it is kind of normalizing it a little bit, but it's still very challenging to find help and information and advice in this particular field and in this particular career. So I want to be a source of information for you babes that are seeking out information, advice, help, tips, that kind of thing. And that's what this series is all about, as well as all of the other videos that I have on my channel that are focused on helping adult content creators. Yes, I've been creating a lot of cosplay videos recently. I've really dived into that realm of content creation and I've been enjoying it, but I want to go back to my roots of my YouTube channel, which was essentially helping you babes become successful in the adult industry. This content isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Don't worry, I'm always gonna be making more content. Like even after I finish this 10-part series all throughout July, I already have so many videos that I want to film. So if you are interested in this kind of content, if you think this kind of content can be helpful for you, beneficial for you, or if you are just dipping in and thinking maybe this might be something for me, but you're not sure of starting yet, definitely give me a subscribe and turn on that notification button, because this kind of content is going to be helpful for you, whether or not you have 100% decided that this is something that you want to do or not. And if this is something that you are brand new getting into or you have been doing for some time, everyone can learn some additional information here and there. So yeah, that's it for me for today. I'm going to see you babes again really soon with the first video in this series. This is technically video number 1, but part 1, video number 2, is going to be the how to get started video, how to build your brand. And I am super excited because brand building is probably my favorite aspect, or one of my favorite aspects of being an adult content creator. It's very exciting to start something new. And as a creative mind, it's just, it's so fun. So see you there with me at 12 p.m. PST. I can't remember if this one is going to be launching on Monday or Friday. So on the next Monday or Friday after this one launches at 12 p.m. PST, you're getting part 1, which is how to get started and building your brand. See you till next time.